Tropical Storm Bret. Tropical Storm Bret as right now, moments 4 p.m. UTC on June 20th. Tropical Storm Bret was located near 111.7 degrees north, 46.3 degrees west, or approximately 623 miles, 100,003 from northeast of Kenne, French Guiana. Bert has maximum sustained winds of 35 knots and a minimum central pressure of 108 millibars. Bert currently lies over the sea surface temperature around 27.5 degrees Celsius, 81.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So like imagery of Bert. Rain coverage. Still testifying there, but it wouldn't reach hurricane status yet. So in the sea surface temperatures, it's in the very good hot temperatures. There, and then there's the cone of it. It would make landfall in where the islands are, and then it would just go straight to somewhere where, I don't know where. And here's another one. Bret is forecasted to approach the Lesser Antilles through early to Thursday and then Thursday night as a tropical storm, bringing a risk of flooding from heavy rainfall, strong winds, and dangerous waves along the coast. Given the longer than usual uncertainty in the track and its anticipated forecast, it's too early to specify the location and magnitude of where Bret's associated hazards could occur. However, everyone in Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands should closely monitor updates to the forecast for Bret. Tropical storm watches may be required for the portions of Lesser Antilles later today or tonight.